Hey everybody, Lloyd Abraham here. Checked the mail today and got my packaging from Jonathan H. Pretty excited to open it. I'll open this off camera. I'm not gonna go through everything because I'll be going through some with my kids, my two older boys, in hopes that they'll be interested in baseball cards. Get these package peanuts out of here. Once again, I would like to thank Jonathan H. for this package. I'll probably go through all the Blue Jay ones on here, but most of the other ones I'll look through with most of them I'll look through with my kids, and hopefully they'll some Edwin cards there. Always like getting former Jays. I think I used to I loved watching Donaldson, Pilar. I have a Pilar jersey. Tulo. One I've been wanting to check out because I believe this one has my very first autographed baseball card. Holograph of the Blue Jays. George Bell. This is my second card. Another George Bell. Tom Henke. Such a goofy looking picture. More Jays. I really need to get a box for all my Jays. Vladimir Guerrero. That's a nice card. Reese McGuire, Ryan Tellez, Jonathan Davis. Look at all these in penny sleeves. Fred McGriff, that's a nice card too. Kevin Pillar. Really like Kevin Pillar. Be sure to sleeve this one up. Top load it. That might actually be my first Kevin Pillar card. These are nice cards. Fred McGriff, 87 Donruss. And there's a Jason Kipnis autograph card I won. That is cool. Drew Hutchison, Richard Urena, Ken Giles. Russell Martin was always, I liked watching Russell Martin too. And Marcus Stroman. Ryan Baraki. Should get that one sleeved. Actually, all of these sleeved. I finally ordered some penny sleeves off Amazon. I don't think I ordered enough, but it's gonna have to do for now. The Rogers Center. I'd like to go there someday. Hernandez, Devin Travis, Grechuk, Spanberger, first Bowman, Danny Jansen, rookie card, flashback, Vladimir Guerrero, Randy Johnson. These are nice cards. Montreal Expos. The big unit. There's my first Vlad Jr. That is cool. With Donaldson on the back. Be sure to get those in top loaders. Another Vlad. Oh, this is cool. Again, if you watch this video and you don't know who Jonathan H is, be sure to check him out on YouTube. He does a lot of cool box breaks. That's a nice card. That's a nice card too. Marcus Stroman. Vlad Sr. again. Don't mind getting that card at all. Roy Halladay. I think I have a few of his cards that I got from the Dollarama packs that I did buy. Black Stroman. Marcus Stroman. I don't know what you call that. Black border? I don't know. Black lettering anyways. It's a nice card. Roberto Alomar. It's another nice card. Sean Reed Foley. I really like these Stadium Club cards. They're really nice. Oh, my camera. Sorry about that. Justin Smoke. That's another nice player I liked watching. Reese McGuire, Rowdy Tellez, Ryan Baraki, Bo Bichette, Martinez, Stroman, Danny Jansen, Kevin Pillar, Sean again, Nate Pearson, Jonathan Davis. I like these cards. These are nice looking cards. Make sure I get my Blue Jays pile that aren't sleeved yet in a different pile. Bo Bichette ready for the show. Is that another auto, or is that how they made this card? Nice card anyways. There's another Vladdy Jr. I need to find another one. Kevin Pillar, that's a nice card. That is nice. Gold Sean Reed Foley, number to 2019. Find my other Vlad Jr. to this side, even though most of these will be top loaded, and then find a box for my Blue Jays I could put in. This would be the final stack I'll show, because I just mainly want to show the Blue Jay ones. Ryan Baraki, Rowdy Tellez, Sean Reed Foley, Danny Jansen, Gary Carter, opening day, that's a nice card. Randall, Rowdy, Kevin, Lourdes, Smoke, Kevin Pillar, Justin Smoke. What are these cards? I don't think I've saw anybody break these. Diamond Kings baseball. I don't remember seeing anybody. I'm gonna have to go back and see if any of people I follow did a break on these Diamond Kings. Maybe I did, but I just don't remember those cards. Stroman, Pilar, Stroman. These are nice. I got lots of nice Blue Jays now. Oh my. Justin Smoke. Again, thank you so much, Jonathan H. You don't know how excited I am to have these much Blue Jay cards and some other cards that'll help me start my baseball card collection and hopefully start a collection for my kids. So that'll be the end of this video. And again, if nobody hasn't checked out Jonathan H's YouTube channel, please go check it out and subscribe to him. Leave him comments. He is a very generous man. I don't know what to say, but thank you, Jonathan H. Not very much people I meet like him. I've never met him, but I'm sure he's very generous in person too. So I'll end the video here. And again, thank you so much, Jonathan H. You don't know what these Blue Jay cards mean to me. Have a great day, and comment, like the video, subscribe. Have a good day.